All right, so we're reacting to Descartes and Kant again, but I chose this song because I reacted to them for the first time previously, and I was so blown away. I was like, I gotta check out another one of their songs. So I went to their channel and it chose Raindrops of Poison. The thumbnail spoke to me. If you've seen the thumbnail, you'll know why. Where's the thumbnail? Here you go. You have the chick with a guitar. There you go. That speaks to me. Okay. So, first time checking out the song, though. Wait, you guys couldn't see it on the screen. Whoa, okay. Mistakes have been made. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to press that play button. First time checking out the song. I've not heard this before. I'm going to give my thoughts on it and see what I think of it, okay? Alright, here we go. This one's more of an experience. Like psychedelic. Whoa. I chose this one. Okay, if you didn't like it, hey, I chose it. Blame me. But not as fun and groovy as After Destruction. But Raindrops of Poison is more of like a psychedelic experience. Okay? There's a lot of depth there that we don't have time to get into. Okay? Like, I mean, lyrically, and just like the tones, the textures of it all right? It was a little unnerving at times, right? It was a little weird because there was like these kind of weird sounds, sounds that you would hear from in a horror movie, a sci-fi horror movie, especially one of those like cheesy ones. Yeah, but that's intended to convey a feeling. Like, I think the right way to react to this is with edibles. I think to really feel what it's trying to make you feel. But I'm sober here during this reaction. You can believe it or not. But what I felt was a little bit unnerved. I felt like this song was dealing with betrayal. It was dealing with conflicts of. There was a thing about being sorry for not being good enough, like disappointment. And maybe that disappointment, maybe that self-doubt is the raindrops of poison on her own mindset, so to speak, there. And just wanting to go back into her mother's arms for comfort, because of the mistakes that were made and all that stuff. I liked it. I thought this was really cool, but not as fun as the other one. I'd probably listen to After Destruction more. This one I would listen to. Don't get that wrong there. But there's a time and place. There's a setting. There's a mindset needed for this song, I think. If that makes sense. With that said, you guys let me know what you thought about it, and I will join you in the comment section.